The name of the game with mining is to get your asset to last as long as it can and dig the product for the lowest cost per tonne and go for as long as it can without failing.
In order to achieve longevity and future here, we've got to mine sustainably and do it right. This big equipment that we run here is essential. Downtime is our Achilles heel. So with reliability and correct diagnosis, that's one way we can mitigate that downtime.
Caterpillar products are embedded in our business. The benefits we see out of a Caterpillar product is every day.
We have a genuine vested interest in their industry. We want them to do well. We want them to be successful. We want them to be able to see the value of the product that they buy.
Caterpillar works as a system. Whether it's the engine, drivetrain, hydraulics, filter and fluids, or any of the other products on there, the SOS, CVA, it all comes together as a system and then provides a solution to the customer.
We know we're getting a proven product. We know we've got a support network that the dealer can reach out to any other dealer in the world and they'll work with us to come up with a winning solution.
I don't think there's one particular thing that sets Caterpillar apart. I think it's the overall package. It's the quality of the parts. It's the quality of the Cat Reman. It's the quality of the dealerships that are around the world that support that equipment.
One of the key advantages of any of the Caterpillar product in the mining range is its rebuildability. It's a tough environment. You really need to be making the most out of that investment.
Caterpillar dealers have often got component rebuild centres or CRCs. You're coming here to a state-of-the-art facility which is up to Caterpillar standards. We've got machine shop, hydraulic shop, we're full service.
They can get the productivity out of the machine and get to a stage in its life where we can pretty much rebuild that machine and get it back to like new performance again.
We'd parked up 3 of the original 789Cs that we bought in 2002. We parked them up in about 2015 and they had roughly 65 to 70,000 frame hours. And over that time, most of the parts and components had been taken off those trucks to keep the rest of the fleet going.
And now they're back up and running again and to get another full life out of them.
The chief advantage of using the Cat Reman parts and components in those rebuilds was about time. We were able to get these trucks rebuilt in a very short time frame compared with ordering a new truck.
The nucleus of the rebuild is around those Reman components and we're getting the benefit with a like new product each and every time. Having a predominantly Cat fleet gives us durability. It allows for good access to parts, good access to services 24/7.
It comes down to the flexibility. So it's all about packaging up a solution in a way that actually meets their needs.
I've worked in many different mining fields. I've worked for a dealer, I've worked for mining houses, I've worked in iron ore, coal, gold, and there's just something about big machines moving lots of dirt that still gives me goosebumps to this day. I just love it.
I've always loved the big machines. I just find them fascinating, how they operate, how they keep operating regardless of what happens.
Who doesn't like to work on big machinery?
To me, Caterpillar is the gold standard when it comes to equipment. They're continuously improving their product, refining their product.
And they'll keep working till the day they stop. They keep moving and keep the world turning.